Sakto. Sakto.
Pressure siya.
Mr. G-Boy Franca, please claim your prize here. G-Boy Franca. Again, we would like to thank the following sponsors: G-Grass Philippine Services, Spring Water, Chris Water, Martin Radio, C1 Trucks and Equipment, Nestle Philippines, Trans Special Corporation, JRG Nation, Patrick Badminton Club, Gym Cakes by Magna, Casa Diva, Sunlight Financial, AP Quarto, The Uncounted Donors.
Court number 4. Women's team. Randy Loyola and Angelina versus Annalisa Batahoy and Martin. Court number 4. Randy Loyola and Jim Milot versus Annalisa Batahoy and Martin. Court number 4, please.
Wala pa kayong talo niya, bro. 1 game.
2 games. May pagtanaw nila. Final call, court number 4, women's team. Randy Loyola and Jim versus Annalisa Batahoy and Martin. Court number 1, please. Court number 8, men's team. Bapa Paranya and Williams versus Warren Costeño and Jason Luis. Court number 8, please. Court number 8, men's team. Bapa Paranya and Williams versus Warren Costeño and Jason Luis.
Wala siya agad.
Level 2. D? Manila Power.
Court 2, women's team.
Jose Argel Felicia versus Ravi Magiba at Juliet Canigas. Court number 2 is court number 2, final call. Maricar Cabosino, Argel Felicia versus Ravi Magiba at Juliet Canigas.
Ano ba ball?
11 sila?
8 sila.
Nice!
One. One. Go, Gore.
Nice!
Okay,
Sana lang. Nice! Sana lang. Ilang dito grande yan. Kasama ko katanaw.
Because